Hello everyone, this is my Pitcha Kutcher presentation. I made this one for educational purposes only, and specifically a requirements in the subject purposive communication. First, I introduce myself. I am Kate Java Malio, 18 years old. I was born on July 17, 2005. I live in Barok Magsaysay, Barangay Dahay, Surala, South Cotabato. I studied in South Cotabato State College and I take Bachelor of Science Entrepreneurship program. In our first day of our journey in purposive communication, we practice different form using like writing, speaking, and this is the day we meet our new teacher in purposive communication subject, Dr. Jaime Boy Yu Ngag Jr. This is the day I get so nervous because we fluently English speaking, but I'm so thankful to our new teacher to boost our confidence to speak in front of more people. The second day of our journey in purpose of communication together with Miss Ira Dimson, this is the day to introduce our self-introduction. It was by paired. Those partners need to introduce each other, introducing by age, name, home address, hobbies, and motto in life. This time, our teacher divided into a group and our teacher gave us more time to plan to be prepared for our report. This is the first reporter and their topic is about communication and its type. This day I learned a lot about different types of communication. This is today in our subject purposive communication and first quiz in our subject. It is about subject, verb, and agreement, and identifying the verb in plural. This is the day our teacher give us advertising video together with my group mates. We are make a plan for what advertisement are we going to do. Then we agree one idea and we proceed to shoot. This day I'm listening to the reporters, and their topic is about 21st century and communication. This day is I gain more knowledge about their report. These reporters are prepared because they explained properly and can be understood. This day, I get tired for making video and edit for our advertising to promote our products. As a businesswoman person, confident and skills is very important for me to deal to my customer better and help me to improve my confidence and skills to become my dream to be a business owner someday. This is today is my reporting. I'm so nervous this day because I'm not prepared to my report. I was very embarrassed by my classmate because I don't know my report, but I am very thankful for our instructor for helping me to explain properly my report until I finish my report. This is the day I make a script for my Picha Kucha presentation. I don't know how to start and I don't know how to edit. Having a classmate and friend, they taught me how to do it. This is the day our teacher gave us new requirements in our subject purposive communication, which is vlog and blog. All of us will listen carefully to make our requirements properly and better. This is the time that I learn a lot of many lessons, the correct pronunciation of different words, and also about different types of speech. This is important for us to know how to construct sentence. This day, we have another individual grading, identifying what part of speech is that speech belong. Our purposive communication teacher give us sentence and we need to identify that kind of words. This is the time I'm doing my picha kucha. 20 by 20 presentation. First, I prepared 20 pictures that I want to explain. So, I make a 20 explanation to each of pictures I prepared. Miss Roxanne Dalagit. She is the fifth reporter, and this report is about communication for work purposes. I learn a lot by her reports because she already prepared to her report, and she also explained better and can be understood. After our class hour, when I go home, I am going to do my schoolworks and assignments. I am studying my some modules and copies to gain more knowledge about purposive communication. I learned a lot in this subject, such as we need to communicate in having this subject. It was so challenging, but it's good experience. I'm not good in enough to communicate in front of more people. I always feel nervous, but I always think, how can I learn if I don't try? Having a purposive communication is important because purposive communication can help us to know how to use words that match in the sentence. Purposive communication ensures that the ended message is clear, well defined, and easily understood by the recipient. This minimizes the risk of misinterpretation. Thank you and God bless.